everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. Today we are making some lovely Easter cupcakes. Spot on time, John decides to turn his drill on. Sorry about the noise. Oh, it's so loud. Well, closing the door didn't make any difference, did it? Right, so let's stir this in, and I've got put a link to the whisks and the frother and everything in the description box below the video. What I've found over the years with yellows is most of them can look quite green, but this one doesn't. This is a really, I won't say a really good one, but it's okay, this one. And because these are Easter cupcakes, then they've got to have some Easter eggs on them, haven't they? Okay, now let's pour our lye into our oils. Now we're doing a lovely honey and mei-chang fragrance. So we're using Honey I Wash the Kids from Oasis Oils and a little bit of mei-chang essential oil, which is very, very, very strong. So what I've done is I've done 1/4 to 3/4, 1/4 lemon, 1/4 mei-chang, 3/4 of the Honey I Wash the Kids. Okay, so we're just going to measure out our first pour, which pours half of the cupcake cases. So I always, actually what I want to do is I want to separate off some first. Because we're going to have yellow on the bottom, we're going to use a round nozzle and just have a white. Well, I could possibly do another colour, couldn't I? It doesn't have to be white. And then a lemon on the top. So I'm going to separate off 1.5 kilos of soap butter into the jug, so that'll do for my middle layer. And the rest I'm going to colour it all bit by bit because I don't want it too strong. But what I did do is I mixed up a little bit of fluorescent yellow to brighten it up. Now fluorescent yellow definitely has a greeny tinge to it, and you can see there's a huge difference between the two here. But if I predominantly use this and just a bit of that just to brighten it up a little, or you could do it the other way, use this and darken it down a bit with this one. It's got quite a lot of gold in this actually. actually. It's looking quite good, so I don't think I'll put any fluorescent in it. But we'll pour these first. It's 1.1 kilos in there. Put my fragrance in. Give that a stir in and then pour it. So yeah, Mei Chang's very, very powerful, so you never need too much of it. In the past, I've often put far too much of it in, and it's so strong. Bright pink is calling my name for the next layer. But the other colour I absolutely love is the ultramarine blue. I think that is so vibrant and gorgeous. But I do have another cupcake that has the blue layer in the centre. So 1.1 kilos did 14.5, and I've actually got 14.5 left, so we'll put 1.1 kilos in to finish off this pour. And this way, because we've added all the yellow into what's left in the pan, the yellow on the bottom will be identical to the yellow on the top. So yes, I'm going to go with hot pink, neon pink. Tempted to go with green, but green and yellow seem to be perfect for Easter, don't they? But I think yellow and pink are better. Now this is one of those fragrances that moves very, very slowly. So it's a few hours since I poured the bases, and they're just say thick enough to pipe on the top of now. Isn't the yellow gorgeous with the pink? What's your favourite colour combination? Let me know in the comments down below the video. So I'm just trying to remind myself I need to make a wide flower on the top so we can get the eggs on there. It's probably quite early to do Easter products at the moment, but you know, they have to cure and people need to see what's available when you're selling. So I'm just using good cheap mini eggs here, and we've got to put 3 on, haven't we? Luckily the 3 colours are so perfect. I'd never waste the good quality mini eggs on a soap, but these, the chocolate is dead naff. I don't even know what brand they are. Harry 2s or something, but they look good. They look good, but they definitely don't taste good. Oh, they look so adorable, don't they? on Sunday the 17th of April 2022, instead of having a ton of chocolate to eat that's no good for your hips or your tummy, why not have a lovely cupcake soap? Of course you can't eat the eggs in there, they are just for decoration only, but in actual fact you'll get a lot more pleasure out of using this soap because it'll last for months, where your Easter egg might be gone in, say, half an hour. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and people around the world will want to copy my Easter egg cupcakes. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Eden's Secret UK. Hashtag Eden's Secret UK. That's my hashtag page. And I'll be back very shortly with another video from me, Karen Morland, here at Eden's Secret. Don't forget, I'm looking for my biggest fan here on this channel. I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye for now.